Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Looking to validate your AI skills and stand out in the job market? AI certifications from Google, Microsoft, IBM, and other top tech companies can help boost your credibility and career prospects. In this video, we'll explore the best AI certifications, what they cover, and which one is right for you, whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional. Let's dive in. AI certification validates skills in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and AI development. It enhances your resume and opens up career opportunities in AI, data science, and automation. This guide covers top AI certifications from major providers like Google, Microsoft, AWS, and IBM. It highlights the benefits of these certifications, such as skill enhancement and career advancement, and explains how they can help you stay competitive in the AI industry. Obtaining an AI certification can give you a competitive edge in the job market and improve your salary potential. Certified professionals often earn more due to the high demand for AI skills. AI certifications validate expertise in AI, boost job prospects by showcasing AI knowledge, and help keep up with industry trends in AI technologies and applications. The Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification is ideal for ML engineers and data scientists. It covers building and deploying ML models, AI ethics, and ML pipelines. It's recognized by top AI employers and offers hands-on experience with Google Cloud AI tools. This content is best suited for machine learning engineers and data scientists. This slide covers key skills in machine learning on Google Cloud, including building and deploying models, understanding AI ethics and fairness, and implementing ML pipelines and feature engineering. This AI program is recognized by top employers, offers hands-on experience with Google Cloud AI tools, and includes an industry-aligned exam covering real-world ML applications. The Microsoft-certified Azure AI Engineer Associate is ideal for AI engineers, developers, and cloud specialists. It covers building AI models, NLP, computer vision, and designing AI solutions. This certification focuses on practical AI implementation in enterprise environments, especially for those using Azure-based AI services. This content is best suited for AI engineers, developers, and cloud specialists. This training covers building AI models with Azure, NLP, computer vision, conversational AI, and designing AI solutions for businesses. This course is beneficial due to its focus on practical AI implementation in enterprise environments and its suitability for those working with Azure-based AI services. The AWS Certified Machine Learning specialty is ideal for cloud AI developers and machine learning engineers. It covers essential skills like model training, data engineering, and AI automation using AWS services. This certification is highly recognized and covers comprehensive ML workflows in cloud environments. This content is best suited for cloud AI developers and machine learning engineers. Original content, best for cloud AI developers and machine learning engineers. This training covers machine learning model training and deployment, data engineering and feature selection, and AI-powered automation using AWS AI services. This AI certification is highly recognized and covers comprehensive end-to-end workflows, especially in cloud environments. The IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, offered by IBM via Coursera, is ideal for AI beginners and professionals. It covers AI model development with Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, deep learning fundamentals, and AI-powered automation. It's comprehensive and beginner-friendly with structured courses and hands-on projects. This course is offered by IBM and is available on the Coursera platform. This course is best suited for AI beginners and professionals. Beginners will benefit from structured learning paths and foundational knowledge, while professionals can enhance their skills with advanced concepts. This training covers AI model development using Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, fundamentals of deep learning, and AI-powered automation and applications. This course offers comprehensive AI and machine learning fundamentals. It's beginner-friendly with structured courses and hands-on projects for practical learning. The Stanford AI Professional Certificate is ideal for AI researchers and advanced practitioners. It covers neural networks, deep learning, reinforcement learning, AI ethics, and AI-powered robotics. Taught by top AI researchers, it blends theoretical and applied AI concepts. This training covers the fundamentals of neural networks and deep learning, reinforcement learning and AI ethics, and AI-powered robotics and automation. This AI course is taught by leading researchers from Stanford and covers both theoretical and applied AI concepts, making it a comprehensive choice. When selecting an AI certification, consider your career goals. Choose a certification that aligns with your job aspirations, whether it's for an AI engineer, data scientist, or NLP specialist. When choosing AI and ML certifications, consider the skill level required, hands-on experience offered, and industry demand. Beginner-friendly options are available, but some require prior experience. Look for practical, project-based learning opportunities. Certifications from Google, Microsoft, AWS, and IBM are highly valued by employers. Pursuing an AI certification can lead to various high-paying job roles. These include machine learning engineer, AI engineer, data scientist, AI product manager, computer vision engineer, and NLP engineer, with average salaries ranging from $112,806 to $130,000 per year. The source of the information is Glassdoor, 2024. In summary, AI certifications validate your skills, advance your career, and open doors to high-paying jobs. Options include Google's ML certification, Microsoft's AI engineer credential, and AWS's ML specialty, all providing valuable AI knowledge and expertise. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's giving you some good ideas about certifications for AI. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon.